Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is complaining of being harassed, and he's saying, that a lot of stuff has been taken away from his page, and that this is because of people that he thought would have been good for him. They were not. So go catch the video, like, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their beautiful, wonderful birthdays today, happy, happy birthday. I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. For all my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my friends, my subscribers, thank you. And have yourselves a beautiful day as well. And remember that in this life, there's different things or different challenges that we will face. But at the end of the day, we have to take each and every challenge. We have to sit and look at it and see how best we can overcome those challenges. Sometimes it's a rough one. Sometimes the patches are going to be, well, sometimes the way is going to be full of patches and ravels and grits, and we're going to have a lot of battles, but we have to fight and step over all those obstacles that may stop us in life. So do the best you can with what you have at the time and try to overcome all those obstacles and situations that may be a roadblock in your life right now. Sometimes the roadblocks are for a reason. Sometimes there's a brighter day or a bright light at the end of the tunnel. So never give up. Keep fighting. Keep pushing forward. Because at the end of the day, there may be something bigger for you than you anticipated or than you were seeing at the present moment. Keep fighting. Keep pushing forward because there is a bright light at the end of the tunnel. Have yourselves, guys, a wonderful rest of the day and take heed to this message.
Highly favored. I've been hit rock bottom already. It's fine. I've hit rock bottom a long time ago. A long time ago. A very long time ago. It's nothing. Nothing is wrong if I go even lower, right? Nothing is wrong. Bear in mind, favor. A lot of these people who claim, oh, Dwayne, they don't love nothing. Them go, they're my dog. They're my shit horse. Well, they're my shit horse. Now for them, my shit dog. I'm telling you. I'm not take it back. I'm sorry I throw that word in there too. Them is shit house. Got Bill on one page, I don't want to mix up on myself. I'm good. I'm not talking about none of them. Not one of them. Simple. It's either people like me or they don't. Listen, sometimes when I'm just choose a day I'm struggle. Choose a day I'm struggle. I keep on telling you, choose a struggle. Choose a struggle. I'm done. Leave me alone. And if you don't, if you can't respect my wishes, just go on. And leave me alone. Morris, what's the matter? I'm calm. I'm on my Facebook. What's the matter? Even like what? People. I'm putting together a positive event and people can report me for frauds and scam. How the hell? I'm fine. I'm on my Facebook. I have to go now. Yes, they all use me. I know they use me favor. I know they use me. It's fine, Morris. I'm gonna chat to you later. It's fine. I'll chat to you later. I never put it on you. I said whoever did it to me. Whoever did it to me. That's what I said. I will come in my own time. Don't rush me. Don't rush me. Okay, I will come soon. Leave me alone. All right. Goodbye. Bye. They use me, favor. You're right. They all use me. All of them. That's some of them are gonna come over, come hype me up. Fuck off. Go and hype yourself up. On a dog, not for that shit house. I don't like you people. I've grown to despise a lot of you people because a lot of you anyways. That's why I get nasty. Like I'm gonna get nasty. I'll get really nasty and I'll get stink. I don't want to get stink. Just leave me alone. I'm gone. I'm not cursing with nobody. Even just leave me alone. I'm not doing it no more. I am done. Highly favored, you know how funny this thing was? They never even wanted to give me stars. Imagine, most of them not even want to subscribe to my page. Do you realize? Can you see the subscription badge? You can't see it, right? Can you see the stars? You probably can't. You probably can see the stars. Some can see, some can't see. Most of my tools, them gone. Gone, gone, never to come back again in my damn life. I don't know what's happened, but my page. Listen, I am pissed off. I'm really, I'm pissed off. I'm pissed off. It's no way to say I'm pissed off. Most of you are users. Go use on yourself. Go and use yourself. Leave me alone. I'm good. Let me just hold into look at people may have left over here. Leave me alone. I had no blood clot mix up. Excuse me language. I'm sorry. But I had to say it. I had to say that. I had to. I'm not doing it no more. I'm not doing it no more. Imagine I'm getting it from all angles. I'm getting it from Facebook and I'm getting it from TikTok. I'm getting it everywhere I go. Everywhere I go, everywhere I go, my name is stinged everywhere. I can't even turn on my live stream in TikTok in peace anymore because people wanna come there and harass me and report me for nonsense. That's you see if it was true, I could understand, but it's not true. And also TikTok is it's very sensitive. That app is sensitive because they have to protect young children, right? And protect them viewers and them audience. So when more than one of them is coming in and reporting for the same nonsense, hey, I'm really annoyed. I'm really annoyed. I'm really annoyed. Them can't use me again, highly. Them can none of them can use me. You know the other day, one come one of my try hide me. Get off my page. Let's unfollow them. Go off my page. I'm not in the business. I don't want to see none of you people. I know another thing I realized. You see, ever since I made my apology to everybody, including for them people too. Some of them I don't see like over him like, oh. So because I said an apology to some people on his feeling hurt about that. You know, I'm thinking highly. Me feel like some of them have them family member come over here, come instigate me. I swear to God, on if you go out to the business and leave me alone. So none of you making my life any better or for worse anyway. I first got about to the damn business leave me alone. And that's enough fiddle. And that's enough fiddle. And that's enough fiddle. Leave me alone. I have enough dealing with in my life. Right now, I don't even know if I'm going to be thrown in dialysis. I don't even know if they're going to throw me in damn dialysis. That's how far my damn life gone right now. In mess, shambles. Now for you, on the door, I have no fucking conscience. And that's not a problem. I'm a blood clot conscience. I that wrong enough, I don't know. On the door, I have no conscience. I don't care what I bring down people, but I don't realize that the people now when I try to bring down and this when I try to bring the people them probably don't even know how long them have left on this damn earth. I must see because I try to use, but I'm gonna use on myself and leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm tired of you people. Tired of all of you people. I'm tired of them, Elsie. I'm telling the truth, I'm tired of them. I'm tired of all of them. I'm tired. My life is a damn mess. Very unhappy. And watch now, I'm trying to make my life happy now. And I'm trying to do things that actually matter to me, right? I don't know how long I got left on this damn earth. I don't know nothing. I don't in a minute on the suits, we get up and go and damn bathroom, right? I can barely most nights I get up 25 times for before daybreak, I get up 25 times. Wanna leave me alone, go on with the business. Leave me alone, man. Leave me alone, come on, must get nasty. Leave me alone. I don't wanna get nasty, man. Just leave me alone and go on. If you don't mean me no damn good. You don't mean me no good. When it's evil people. Very evil. And I know for a fact I've severed a lot of relationships that I know I've severed a lot of relationships who I know I will never get them back. But darling, I don't business sometimes in life you have to let people go. It's just that's just how it is. I just saw life go. Some people come, some people come in life for a reason. Some should just need to just go out their business. Right? Some people come in life for a reason and some come in life for a damn season too. The one for the season go out in the business. I'm trying to hold it to one for a good reason. And that's it. Remember, I want to tell me I'll bring them my page now. Right? My page gone down now. Leave me alone and get out in the business now. What's going on? Enough for you. On our wicked. On this damn wicked. I'm gonna take it back. But I promise you one day God will bring me right back. You wait. You wait. God must bring me back one day. If I'm not doing something again. Just wait. And even if it don't happen, I don't care. Evil people. I try to use me for doing dirty work. Only using myself. When I realize for the family I got to leave me alone. I'm facing everything by myself. If it's not for my family, if it's not for my mother, and my siblings them. Only God knows I probably would have been in a damn nursing home and don't leave me alone about on our ass business. I had to the do. The comments can't hype me up. It can't hype me up. It can't. I'm telling you, I'm good now. Why don't on someone on just down here, on a down here, you know? On a down here. I'm telling you, I'm done. I'm done. I've been the one to mix it, but I do a long time. Long time. I would have done it a long time ago. I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. I promise you I'm doing fine. You know the funny thing most on the pay out on I got two things though. On I got two things though. But when I try use me for the I cannot be bothered. I cannot be bothered. I don't know anything anymore. I don't know anything anymore. I just want good people in my damn life. I just want good people in my space. That's it. Is that too much to ask for? That too much to ask for? Though at this point, it seems like it is too much to ask for. I swear to God, the Lord said, "Ask what you want, and it shall be granted." But clearly, it's just not giving it to me. Maybe I'm a shit house. I don't know. Something is wrong. Something wrong. Something gone drastically wrong too. Drastically wrong. Something is gone drastically wrong. And it's nothing I can do to change that. Nothing at all. Nothing. I'm getting dragged on TikTok. I'm getting dragged on Facebook. Everywhere I freaking go, I'm getting dragged. Everywhere I'm going, I'm getting bring that. Everywhere I go, I'm getting harassed. Every freaking woman I'm gonna get damn harassed. Everywhere. Everywhere. I mean, no say, as some people from Facebook, I come over to come do it because my system name crossed my page. Mr. Well, and how you reach over here. Bear in mind, you follow people you like. You follow people you like. And I don't follow their people. So how them reach on my page? If one live done, I come off of that live and I go to one of the people them live whom I actually follow. So how them reach to my page? That don't make no sense, but okay. I see you people. Keep doing the thing, darling. Keep doing the thing. Keep doing your thing. It is fine.